In this video, I'll guide you through how to import contacts into Xero. If you've got a list of customers or suppliers stored in a spreadsheet and you want them all set up in Xero quickly, this walkthrough will take you through the process step by step so you don't miss anything important. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to the Xero website by typing in xero.com. Sign in to your Xero account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, make sure you're in the correct organization if you have access to more than one, because the contacts you import will only appear in the organization you've selected. From your Xero dashboard, look towards the main navigation and find the option labeled Contacts. This is where Xero keeps all your customers, suppliers, and any other contacts you work with. Go ahead and click on Contacts to open that section. Next, you'll want to view the full list area where all contacts are managed. To do this, click on All Contacts. Even if you don't have many contacts yet, this is the place where your imported list will appear, so it's the right spot to start the import process. Now look towards the top right corner of the contacts page. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. This menu contains extra actions related to your contacts. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From the options that appear, choose Import. This tells Xero that you're about to bring in contact information from a file rather than adding each contact manually. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to double check that your contacts file is ready. Typically, this will be a spreadsheet file such as a CSV with clear column headings like contact name, email, address, and phone number. Make sure there are no extra header rows and try to keep the formatting consistent to reduce any import issues. Once you're on the import screen, you'll see an option to select your file. Click on Select a File. This will open a file browser window on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you've saved your contacts file, select it, and then confirm by clicking Open. Xero will load the file and get it ready for import. If Xero provides a sample template on this screen, you can compare it with your file next time to help keep your data in the right format. After your file is selected and you've confirmed it looks correct on the screen, you're ready to move forward. When everything is set, click Next. At this stage, Xero may show you a preview of how your data will map into its contact fields. Take a quick moment to scan through and make sure names, email addresses, and other key details appear in the correct columns. If something looks off, you can cancel and adjust your original file before trying again. Once you click Next and follow any remaining prompts Xero shows you, your contacts will begin importing. When it's done, go back to All Contacts to confirm that your new contacts appear as expected, and that's the full process for importing contacts into Xero, from opening the site through to starting the import.